Hey everybody, Chuck Fulkerson here. You know, one of the things that I get people ask about is what are your favorite setups? And especially when the market's at an all-time high, how do I find the right setup, right? Well, when we think about setups, think about two basic setups that I like. One is for a bullish market, let's just call it the bull pullback, right? And a bull pullback is when the market does something like this. Moves up, pulls back, moves up, pulls back, moves up, pulls back. And certainly in that case, we want to buy on the pullback, right? We want to buy to an area where there's going to be a good level of support. Oftentimes there's going to be some latent demand that's in there from maybe some unfilled orders that are left over from the back. And those are great to get to buy on those nice pullbacks if the stock is rallying. But the problem that I see with that is that oftentimes in a really strong stock, you won't get a pullback deep enough to enter the position. And so in that case, what I look for are breakouts of a high base. And when I talk about breakouts of a high base, what I want to see is something that's basing like this. And in this case, I would look to buy on the breakout above this level. When we do this, what we're looking for specifically is something that fundamentally has a lot of strength to it. But more than just fundamentally having a lot of strength to it, it's also going to give an investor basically unlimited upside potential if this thing's at or near an all-time high. I'm a huge believer in buying an all-time high so long as it's showing relative strength to the overall market. So let me show you what I mean by that. So when we have a condition where the market itself does a pullback, because remember, most of a stock's movement is going to be based upon the market in general. So let's say that over here I have the market in general. Maybe this is the S&P, maybe this is the Dow, whatever it happens to be. And this is the individual stock that I'm trading. So there's really two things that I'm looking for in this scenario. What I want to see is that the market in general is moving up, a little bit of a pullback. Maybe it's moved up and it's had a little bit of a pullback. Now, if the market has had that little bit of a pullback, I'm going to specifically look, if I'm still bullish on the market, I'm going to specifically look for stocks that are outperforming the market, meaning they're also rallying at the same time, but on the pullback that the market had, the stock maybe chops sideways a little bit. And then that gives me an opportunity for a strong breakout. And now, as the market is pulling back, we've got the breakout opportunity in the individual stock. Now, if the market then gives us a reversal, we would anticipate that the stock will continue to have a higher reversal. Is this guaranteed? Absolutely not. But what it does is it really just adds another weapon, if you will, to my arsenal. It gives me another arrow in my quiver, another tool in my belt, another thing that you can use in your trading and technical analysis. So this is one part of breakouts. Now there's a lot more to breakouts. We've actually got a lot of free videos. Go to tradersarmy.com to see some of the videos that we have on how to trade breakouts and how to specifically look for high probability opportunities. Thanks so much, everybody, and have a great day.